St. Thomas, Jamaica, East Side, a parish filled with rich history and hidden beauties, but its Achilles heel for years has been its road infrastructure. The government is looking to change that, and here comes Suncoast, a resort-inspired, exclusive gated community. Suncoast is located in 12-mile St. Thomas, just 15 minutes away from Kingston. Phase 1 of the project, which is scheduled to be completed by June 2024, will see 133 units being erected, townhouses and duplexes. The townhouses will be 1,315 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, going for a starting price of just 350,000 USD. The duplexes will be 1,540 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and they come in at a starting price of just 470,000 USD.
Hi, I'm Kevin Frith, the developer of Suncoast Beach Club, a premier housing development in St. Thomas. Well, I am from Kingston. I've been in business since I'm about 14 years old, operating my own business. Tried a couple of different things. Recently, about 2018, I was introduced to a project in St. Anne. And I went in as an investor in a townhouse development in Miami Bay. And then that one went well, and I decided that I wanted to form a company to take on projects of my own. I went into business with another friend of mine, and we started the holding company TCF, which is the owner of the property, or the owner of the project Suncoast Beach Club. Why St. Thomas? Well, upon starting out, as in having the company to take on real estate projects, we had to look at where is the most suitable place, or where would you get the most impact. Doing our research, we realized that St. Thomas was about to start their own development with the new highway. So we were started to shop around for properties in the area, and we so happened to, again, somebody introduced me to David, who is the person that we bought the land from. He was actually on the market selling, and we went into the deal, and the rest is where we're at. Suncoast will be in 3 phases. Phase 1 is what we're doing now. We're doing the infrastructure works now, which include the road and the sewage. And we're looking to start phase 2 early 2024, and phase 3 late 2024 going into 2025. So phase 1 is a mixture of 2-bedroom townhouse and 2-bedroom duplex. Phase 2 is a mixture of villas, duplex and townhouses. The villa is 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom villa. There will be 2-bedroom townhouses and 2-bedroom duplexes in phase 2 as well. Phase 3 will have a mixture of luxury apartments with penthouse, 3-bedroom with penthouse, and 2-bedroom apartment, and as well as 3-bedroom townhouses. Okay, so where we're standing up now is the area where phase 3 will be built. We're actually on the recreational spot now, where will be like a lookout park. And then over to that section, it will be along the coastline, will be the 3-bedroom townhouses and the luxury apartments. Well, I would say the mere fact that we're here setting the trend. So it's like anything else come after would basically be either, I'd say, I wouldn't want to say copy, but basically when you set a trend, you set a trend. So I'm not even, I don't even think nobody is going to be able to top this kind of thing, or it must be some similarity as in there, looking at what we have done and coming up with something similar. But as it is now, with all of what we're putting into it, it is what it is. So for example, We have amenities. We are going to have the largest residential pool that you can find around town. We're having a daycare center, pharmacy, and in terms of just the community in general, it's the concept behind it is a resort type living. So we design it in a way that you feel like you're living in a 5-star hotel, but it's really your home. And we look at all the amenities that someone would need to feel comfortable living in a beach type resort. So we're looking at the possibility of surfing, jet skiing. You'll have places to dock your boat. So there are several amenities that speaks for itself. In my opinion, St. Thomas is going to be the the town or the city of cities that you would want to visit when coming to Jamaica. Since coming here to do the real estate development, I've been doing deeper research into the parish in general, and I find that there's so much rich history surrounding St. Thomas that I didn't even know as a child coming up. As in, some of these things I'm learning apparently wasn't even taught in school. But you know, St. Thomas is a very, it's like an untapped paradise. And with all of what I'm seeing coming, not just my development, but other persons coming with other housing development and commercial type development, it's really going to be, within another 5 years, it's going to be unbelievable. Well, after Suncoast, or even right now, we're looking at other possibilities for other properties that we can acquire to develop. But given the demand now for St. Thomas, I doubt we'll be able to find anything similar in terms of size and strategically located in this area, because it's like this plot of land was like a gift from heaven, you know. It's strategically located right on the border of St. Andrew and St. Thomas, roughly 15 minutes from the airport, 25 minutes from New Kingston. I don't think you can get, well, I don't think I would find anything more like this, but it would be a good thing. As it is now, we're looking for our next project to really be a low income project. Trying to see how we're able to build something within the 18, 19, 20 million the most, so like a 2-bedroom. The difficulty with that is the possibility of getting the land. It's rather difficult to find lands that you're able to do that low income type development. But outside of Jamaica, we're also looking at the African region, and we're in discussion now, right now, with a South American country, recently discovered oil, and we're looking to do something with them.
Exploring this site today has really reinforced my view that St. Thomas is the next big real estate gem in Jamaica, and you can rest assured that once phase 1 is completed of this project, I'll be right back here to do a full property tour of this development. Thank you, Momenters. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, everybody that has been supporting the Moments by Boothe real estate channel, YouTube channel. I just want to implore you guys to ram that like button and to smash that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. And that is what I'm doing out here today. Thank you guys so much. AB signing out.